This is a way to get shiny floors in just 1 minute without using any chemicals. Dirt disappears, freshness returns, and your home feels perfectly clean. Start by squeezing the juice of half a lemon. Lemon refreshes, removes greasy stains, and has strong antibacterial properties. Pour the juice into a tall container and add about 2 cups of water. Add a pinch of table salt, which disinfects and helps remove stubborn dirt from the floor. Now take some cloves. Grind a teaspoon in a grinder and add it to the mixture. Cloves refresh the air, and their strong aroma also keeps insects away. Mix everything well and let it sit for a moment so the ingredients blend together. Then strain the liquid through a strainer and cheesecloth to get a clear solution. You can pour it into a bottle and use it whenever you want. You can also prepare a bowl of water, add the mixture, and soak a mop or cloth in it. Wring out the excess water and clean the floors as usual. The cleanliness, freshness, and fragrance will make sure there's no place for bugs in your home. The floor will shine like a mirror, all without a drop of chemicals. This is the secret to a shiny floor that your neighbors will envy. Ever since I started using this mixture, my home has stayed flawlessly clean for many weeks. Start by preparing a large mop bucket and pouring in 1 gallon of lukewarm water. This will be the base. This secret formula was shared with me by the cleaning lady of the most famous hotel in the world. Now it's time for the first ingredient. Baking soda effectively removes dirt, neutralizes unpleasant odors, and works as a natural cleaning agent. Add exactly 7 ounces. The next ingredient is isopropyl alcohol. It instantly cuts through grease, evaporates without leaving streaks, and also has disinfecting properties. Pour in 2 cups. Now it's time for vinegar. Once added, your floor will be free from bacteria, beautifully polished, and free of stains. And finally, the most important ingredient, fabric softener. It not only gives your floor a wonderful fresh fragrance, but also makes it shine like a mirror. Now soak your mop thoroughly in the mixture, wring out the excess liquid, and start cleaning as usual. The effect? 0 streaks and a floor so shiny that you can literally see your reflection. Mix everything together and pour it into a bucket. You'll quickly see that your floor has never looked this clean. No streaks, no dirt, and the shine lasts. Start with a large bowl and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt is great for removing stains and discoloration. Add a tablespoon of baking soda, which disinfects and cleans all kinds of surfaces, not just in the kitchen. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of dish soap. It easily cuts through grease and grime. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. It degreases, shines, and has antibacterial properties. Now add 3 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. It kills bacteria and fungi, making it a key ingredient in this mix. Stir everything well. The mixture may fizz a little. That's normal. Pour in about 4 cups of warm water and mix thoroughly. Then add another 4 cups to make the cleaner ready to use. Transfer the solution to a mop bucket. But there's one final touch. Squeeze in the juice of a lemon. It will leave your floor smelling fresh. Dip your mop, wring it out, and clean your floors as usual. The result? Shiny, spotless floors free from bacteria and dust mites. Just a few drops can completely transform your home. You'll notice the difference right away. It's a brilliant trick my neighbor accidentally discovered. Start by grabbing a tall container. Add 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce. Its strong aroma and natural compounds make it perfect for this. Next, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar helps eliminate bacteria and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Then pour in 5 tablespoons of dish soap. The ratio matters. Dish soap acts as an emulsifier. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a smooth liquid. Pour it into a spray bottle and toss in a few whole cloves. Their strong, spicy scent has both repelling and antiseptic properties. Now it's time to use it. Spray your kitchen counters, windowsills, table, or any other area. This simple mixture makes an incredibly effective insect spray. Its smell is unbearable for bugs. Just a few ingredients can make your home feel fresh and pest-free for a long time. Put this by your front door and your problem will be gone faster than you think. No other method works quite as well as this one. This clever trick is truly irreplaceable. All you need is a regular plastic bottle, preferably a large one, like the kind used for water or soft drinks. Tear off a few strips of aluminum foil and roll them into small balls. The foil is the key ingredient in this trick. Next, fill the bottle with water. about 2/3 full. Drop in the foil balls and tightly close the bottle with a standard cap. That's it. The bottle may look simple, but believe me, it works wonders. It acts like an invisible barrier. Just place it near your front door, along the side of your house, on your porch, or even in the garden. The light reflecting off the water and foil, both during the day and at night, effectively scares away unwanted animals. Stray cats, dogs, and even wild animals like deer will steer clear of your home. This method is perfect if you live in the countryside or near the woods. No chemicals, no special tools, just a simple, effective, and free solution. Hang cinnamon on a tree branch. You'll quickly thank me for this trick. It's a simple yet highly effective method. But before you do, prepare the cinnamon. Break a cinnamon stick into smaller pieces and put them into a grinder. Blend into a fine powder. Cinnamon has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties and has been used for centuries as a natural repellent. Pour about 10 fluid ounces of hot water into a tall container. Add the ground cinnamon and mix well. Now add 1 tablespoon of dried lavender. Its intense scent is relaxing and soothing for people, but also acts as a repellent. After mixing, let the mixture sit for 1 hour. Then strain it through a sieve. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Use this spray on all the places where unwanted guests appear in your garden. But that's not all. Take a piece of cinnamon bark and thread a string through it. Tie the ends tightly so it holds well. Hang it on a tree branch or another spot. This method also repels flies and mosquitoes. Plus, your garden will smell wonderful. Try it yourself and feel the clear difference. The aphids disappeared after just 1 use. You won't find this in any store. All it takes is a few minutes and a homemade spray made from ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Aphids suck the sap from plants, weakening the leaves and making them more vulnerable to damage. Here's a simple way to make an organic solution that gets rid of pests in your garden. Pour about 1¼ cups of vinegar into a tall container. Vinegar disinfects and repels with its strong smell. Now add 1 tablespoon of neem powder, a natural ingredient from the neem tree that repels pests without harming plants. Next, add ½ tablespoon of hot red pepper. It contains capsaicin, which has a strong smell and taste. Then add ½ tablespoon of ground black pepper. The intense aroma drives aphids away. Add a little liquid soap to help the solution stick to the plants. Mix everything well and let it sit for a few hours. After that, strain the mixture through cheesecloth. Add some water, then pour it into a spray bottle. This mixture works great on both vegetables and flowers. It's fast, natural, and effective. Use it as soon as you spot aphids. This is how you catch all the mosquitoes in your garden and home. My grandma showed me a brilliantly simple trap that works surprisingly well. All you need is a regular bucket. Pour in about 1 quart of warm water. Then add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. As it starts to ferment, it releases carbon dioxide, which is exactly what attracts mosquitoes. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and stir until it fully dissolves. The sugar feeds the yeast and boosts the reaction. To make the trap even more effective, add a tablespoon of dish soap. This lowers the surface tension, so when mosquitoes land, they can't escape and will drown. Place the bucket inside a larger cardboard box. Don't seal it completely. Leave a small gap so insects can fly in. Set the trap outside where mosquitoes are most active. In the garden, on the patio, or near a gazebo. Ever since I started using this trick, evenings outdoors have been peaceful again. Try making one yourself and see how well it works.